Hello everyone, welcome to cyberspace with another new video. In this video I will show you how can you add your chatbot in WordPress websites. So you can see here I already have added a chatbot, and this chatbot was made by Chatbase software. So let's get started. First I want to tell you that please subscribe to my channel and like the video. So let's go. First, you can see I'm in a WordPress website, and you have to just go to your channel dashboard option. I'm sorry, you have to go to your website's dashboard option. Just click here and then you have to go to your plugins option. Okay, here you can see plugins, and I already have installed it. So for add a new plugin, you have to go to add new plugin option. So just go to add new plugin option. In my another previous video, I showed that how can you create a chatbot by using Chatbase software. So first you have to watch that video, and then then you have to come here for add the Chatbase. So after creating the chatbot in Chatbase software, then you have to come to your WordPress WordPress website, and then there is a simple trick. Just search here Chatbase. You can see this is the Chatbase applications, and I already have installed it. So if you didn't install it, then you can see you will see their install option. So click the install option, and you will come into the installed plugins or active option. So you can see the Chatbase option. So just go to the view details option. Okay, just go to the Chatbase option. So you have to just create the chatbot by freely, and you will get a chatbot ID. Just paste it here, and you will able to so you can see there you will see a paste option here, or cap option here. You just copy your chatbot ID and paste here your WordPress website. That will be okay, and then you will see the chatbot here. So thanks for watching. Thank you.